Let's start with Surveying 1 ECE 203. This subject is mainly from BTech second year Civil Engineering. So what is surveying? What are the surveyors? And how important surveying is in civil engineering and other world? We will mainly focus about that here. So surveying is important and most of us depends on it so as to ensure order in the physical world around us. Surveyors play an integral role in land development, from the planning and design of land subdivisions through the final construction of roads, utilities, and landscaping. Surveyors are the first people on any construction site measuring and mapping the land. These primarily measurements are then used by architects to understand and make the most of the unique landscape when designing, and engineers to plan structures accurately and safely, ensuring building not only fit with the landscape but are able to be constructed. So let's define the surveying. Surveying may be defined as the method of making measurement of the relative position of natural and man-made features on the earth's surface, and the presentation of this information either graphically or numerically. So the commonest method of presentation are by means of plan or a map. Both plans and maps are graphical representation of the features on a horizontal plane. Plan is a large scale presentation, whereas map is a small scale presentation. You must go through this term scale in your first year. So that is that. Height information can be added either as spot height, which are individual heights of points, or as contours, which give a less detailed but better visual representation of the area. So let's understand the definition of surveying. Surveying is defined as the science of making measurements of the earth, specifically the surface of the earth. The primary aim of field surveying are to measure the horizontal distance between points, to measure the vertical elevation between two points, to find out the relative directions of the line by measuring horizontal angles with reference to any arbitrary direction, and to find out absolute direction by measuring horizontal angle with reference to a fixed direction. These parameters are utilized to find out the relative and absolute coordinates of a point oblique location. So what is the importance of surveying? The planning and design of all civil engineering projects such as construction of highways, bridges, tunnels, dams, etc. are based upon surveying measurements. Moreover, during execution, project of any magnitude is constructed along the lines and points established by surveying. Thus, surveying is a basic requirement for civil engineering projects. Other principles works in which surveying is primarily utilized are to fix the national and state boundaries, to chart coastal lines and navigable streams and lakes, to establish control points, to execute hydrographic and oceanographic charting and mapping, and to prepare topographic map of land surface of the earth. So these are the objectives of surveying: to collect field data, to prepare a plan or a map of the area surveyed, to analyze and to calculate field parameters for setting out operation of actual engineering works, and to set out field parameters at the site for further engineering works. So there are different classification of surveying based upon the purpose or based upon the instrument used. So regarding these we will study in next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you very much.